Welcome students. Today we are going to learn a lesson, the sound of music. This lesson has two parts. First part, today we are going to start, and second part, the Sahnai of Bismillah Khan we will do after the completion of this part. So the first part, Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. Do you think, dear, it is possible without hearing anything? Can we listen? But in this lesson, through this lesson, we came to know it's possible. It's rightly said that God have taken. If God have taken something to us, then definitely some extraordinary He will reward us. So let's start the lesson. God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her, actually dear, He will be capital here because He stands for God. He has given her back something or extraordinary. Even though she can't hear, who is she? She stands for Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie cannot hear, but she has some specialties, she has some extraordinary qualities. Let's see what we hear. The quality is that what we hear through our ear, she feels it. Means she can't hear, but she feel far more deeply than any of us. Means she can feel it, she can express it very clearly than us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. This is the reason she feels it, we just hear it, and but she feels it through his senses, and she can express it very beautifully. So now read the following account of a person who fought against a physically disabilities, means impaired or disabilities of having some, and made her life a successful, means beside this physical disability she was leading a life of a successful person. So let's start the lesson. Rush hours crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. The story begins with the scene of railway station, and as we know that the scene of railway station is very crowded, and people were, what they were doing, they were jostle, they were pushing each other. All person were rushing, they were pushing each other for what? Finding their position on the underground train platform, means they were finding their space. A slight girl means slim, lean, thin girl, like that, looking younger. She was very younger than her 17 years, means even though she was 17 years, but by physically she was very younger, and she was nervous yet excited also. When she was nervous and when she was excited, we came to know later. As she felt the vibration of the approaching train, when the train was approaching to the platform, she was nervous. She was nervous. Why? Because she was all alone. All alone. Nobody was with her. That's why she was nervous and excited, because first time she was going to city. That's why she was very excited. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music. It's a proper noun here, it's a place. So she was going here for what? In London, and daunting. Daunting means she was scaring, she was frightening, she was fearing enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. Scottish farm means here you can say village. You can imagine, dear, if a villager or if a person from village, if he or she will go to any city, definitely he or she will be daunting, little bit scared, because they were going there first time. That was, this girl is also daunting because she was teenager and she was all alone. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge. Aspiring means very attentive, if we can say. She faced bigger problem than it. Means it was nothing to travel alone in another city, foreign city, unknown place. It was nothing, but she has to face a big problem, and the problem that she was profoundly deaf. Means she was deaf, she can't hear anything. She can't hear anything. That's why she felt the vibration. Means what we hear, she can feel. So I hope the first paragraph is clear to you. So now see the second paragraph. Alvin Glennie's loss of hearing means when she was becoming deaf had been gradual. Means it was not happened in one day. It was gradual process. Day by day she was becoming deaf. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong. Her mother constantly noticing that something was wrong, means she has some problem. But when the 8 years old Glennie Evelyn was waiting to play the piano, must means her mother noticed that when she was 8 years old, Evelyn was 8 years old, then her mother noticed something was wrong with her. They called her name and she didn't move. Means some they stands for the authority. They called her name Glennie, but she didn't move, she didn't respond, she didn't answer. I suddenly realized I stands for here mother. I suddenly realized she had not heard. Says Isabel, and mother name was, you will learn this name, Isabel Glennie. For quite a while, after some time, Evelyn managed to conceal. Conceal means here to hide something. To hide. She tried her best to hide her growing deafness. Means she had the information. She was just she was knowing that she was going to deaf, but she hide it. Okay. Now she tried to hide her deafness from friends and teachers, but later or early it came to know. But by the time she was 11, but miss you will notice here when she was 8 years, she didn't respond. Means from 8 years, she gradually becoming deaf, and when was she was 11, her marks had deteriorated. Deteriorated means degradation, degradation, decrease, and her headmistress urged means state or pray or request. Oh, what do we say? Request anything. Request we can say. So request her parents to take her where to a specialist. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. Now, this time they realized that Glennie has severe problem, and the problem was impaired of hearing. Means by this time she was totally impaired or deaf, we will say. She can't hear anything when she was at 11. They were advised that she should be fitted. They stands for teachers, management, school management. They advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids, and sent to aids means device. Hearing device means a device that help us in hearing, that increase our hearing power, and sent to a school for the deaf, and also requested is sent to a school for, that was for only deaf students. It's a special school. Okay, now moving forward, it's an important line here. You will just underline it. It's a very important line for point of view questions answer. Okay. So everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. Evelyn was saying, when I came to know I have some problem, hearing problem, then suddenly everything was black for him. Means it was totally dark in front of her. There was no hope. But Evelyn was not going to give up. But she was not ready to accept anything. She was determined. Determined for what? She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue means to continue her interest in music. One day, she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. Dear, what is xylophone? Xylophone, you can see in the picture. Xylophone is a musical instrument with a row of wooden bars of different lengths. It's a xylophone. So one day she saw a girl who was playing xylophone, and she also decided that she wanted to play it too. Means she will also learn it, how to play. Most of the teacher discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes, you will all underline this name here, Ron Forbes. Who was Ron Forbes? So now we came to know. When she expressed her desire to learn xylophone, all teachers discouraged him. You can't do, you can't hear, so how it's possible you can learn music, okay? But there was a percussionist. What is percussionist? A person who can play many instruments or devices like drum and tabla. So Ron Forbes is the person who spotted her potential. Potential means ability, we will say. Ability or quality. Spotted means noticed. He began by tuning two large drums. He started to play two drums of different notes. Different notes means sound or pitch, we'll say. Lower pitch and high pitch, we'll say. Don't listen. And what he said, he would say, what? Don't listen through your ears. Don't try to listen through ears. Try to sense it some other way. Means don't try to hear with your ear, कान से नहीं सुनना है, but some other way try to sense it, says Evelyn. Suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum. Then Evelyn realized that she could feel the higher drum from the upper waist, from the waist up, and the low sound one from the waist down. Forbes repeated this exercise. And soon Evelyn discovered, means became expert, that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Means now she was able to see, can identify different sounds, different note, different tuning. I had learned to open my mind and body to sound and vibration. Now she can easily identify the vibrations, sounds. The rest of was sheer determination. Sheer determination means strong determination and hard work. So I hope, dear, it's clear to you. So now next. She, when she was able to identify the vibrations, then after that she never looked back from that point. She never looked back. She didn't surrender. She tutored the UK. Sorry, so she told the UK. UK means she told the UK with a youth orchestra. Means she joined a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, now her age was 16 years old. She had decided to make music her life, and at the age of 16 she decided music will be her life. She auditioned means performance, will say, gave a short performance so that the director could decide whether she was good enough or not. So she auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music. She went there and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. Means she became the topper. She gradually moved from orchestra work to solo performance. Now she moved from orchestra. Orchestra is a teamwork, but then she turned to solo. Solo means lonely performance. Here she can perform alone, all alone. At the end of her 3 years course, when she completed her course, 3 years course, she had captured most of the top awards. Means she was awarded with many top rankers, top awards, rewards. Now, fifth paragraph, and for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. Heroic achievement means you will say here proudy or over excited. Hooty will say. Means after getting so celebrity, now she was a celebrity, okay, but she had no any sense. She didn't show any sign of heroism. उसको कोई घमंड नहीं हुआ था अभी तक. If you work hard, what she was thinking? If someone will work hard and you know where you are going, means if you know your direction and you are doing your hard work hard, you will get there. What do you want? You will get. And she got right to the top. The world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some thousands of instruments and hectic international schedule. Now she became the most celebrity, most famous, and she was the top of the world. And multi-percussionist, she has many appointments, many programs she had, and she had a very hectic international schedule. Means she was now all over the world, perfect musician, we'll say. So dear, in this video up to fifth paragraph we have covered. In next video we will do cover the rest of the paragraphs. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you very much.